Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use the Deal Machine app. So the first thing that you're going to do in the top right corner, there's a little icon to kind of show where you are. So you're going to click on that so that it finds you. So you can see we are the little blue dot in the middle of the screen. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to hit Start Driving in the top left corner. That's going to be able to track the routes that you take. So you'll click on Start Driving. And then when we're done, we're going to hit Stop Driving up there in the top left as well. So now I have found a property that appears to be a little bit distressed. It's definitely not the worst property I've ever seen, but it definitely needs some repairs. And these are the types of properties that we are looking for. So what we're going to do, and it's got my icon off a little bit, so you just need to make sure whenever you click on a property on the map, so this is the property we're looking at right here. So you can see that says 1911. So you want to verify that on the house that it's the correct address. So you'll see 1911 either on the house or on the mailbox next to the house. Most of the time that's going to be the case. Occasionally you will not be able to find it anywhere, so you might have to look at a neighboring house to see what the property address is for that one. Maybe look at both neighbors, and then you could kind of use the process of elimination to figure out what the correct address is. But you definitely want to make sure that you have the correct one, because as you can see, I'm not moving right now and it's still kind of moving me around, and it has me essentially one property down. So you just want to absolutely verify that the address at the bottom is going to match the address at the house. So once you've done that, you're going to click on the little plus icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. So then it's going to pull up kind of some information, and you can see it's searching for the property records. Now we can see that it's owner occupied. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to click the little camera icon in the bottom left corner, and we're going to take photo. And so I'll just kind of show you this property. You can see it's a little hard to tell from the picture, but you can see that there's some work that needs to be done, maybe some tuck pointing. There's some painting that needs to be done on the exterior. Like I said, the picture doesn't fully do it justice, but it definitely is going to need some work. And you can see, like this property right next door is in good condition. It looks like it's got a lot of new stuff, and this one is definitely more distressed. So we will go ahead and take the photo, and then you'll click on the bottom right, use photo. And now you can see that it is right there. And then the next step that we're going to do is we're going to start mailers. So you can see it's the middle of the screen all the way at the bottom underneath the owner information. So you'll click on Start Mailers, and then you can see success. We've done it. So now they are going to receive mailers from us. So you're going to continue to drive around or walk around in the neighborhoods and take pictures, send mailers, basically all of that. So just as a real quick recap, you're going to find the property on the map. You will click on it. You will verify that it is the correct address, looking at the record that is found along with the house number on the actual house. So once you verify that, then you will click on the bottom right, the little plus icon, to add the property. And then after that, you will go ahead and on the bottom left, you will click on the camera icon. You'll take a picture, you'll click on use photo, and then you will start mailers in the bottom middle of the screen. And then that's basically it. Once you are done driving for the day, you will go ahead and you will click the top left corner. You can see it says Stop Driving. So you'll click on that, and then it'll give you just a little summary. You can see we added one property. Obviously didn't drive very far, didn't drive at all. But that will give you a little bit of summary, hit dismiss. But those are the steps that you are going to take for adding properties, and you'll basically do the same thing every time.